They call it the cold season. But this winter isn't just about snow or cozy blankets. This is your winter arc, the time when average people disappear and come back unrecognizable. When everyone slows down, you level up. So, are you going to hibernate or build yourself in the dark? Winter isn't just weather. It's a mindset reset. It's when the world gets quiet enough for you to hear your own thoughts, when comfort tries to control you, and discipline becomes your only fire. The question is, will you use the cold to harden your spirit or let it freeze your goals? This is your chance to create your transformation arc. Forget New Year's resolutions. Your glow up starts now. Wake up early, even when it's dark outside. Hit the gym when your mind says stay in bed. Read instead of scrolling. Work in silence while the world sleeps. Because when spring comes, everyone will see what the winter built. Most people waste winter hiding from discomfort, but not you. You're the one who uses the dark season to build light. You turn loneliness into focus. You turn cold mornings into consistency. You turn the quiet into power. This is how legends are made. When no one's watching, when the snow melts and the days get longer, remember this. You didn't survive winter. You trained in it. You became sharper, stronger, and unstoppable. So next time someone says, it's too cold to work, you'll smile, because that's when you work best. Welcome to your winter arc, the grind season, the growth season, the beast season. While others rest, you rise. While they wait for summer, you become it.